Hi, Arizona Unplugged. Today I'm at Chelsea's Kitchen, and I have the distinct pleasure of meeting and having breakfast with Vice Admiral Thomas Lynch, Chairman of the Board of NewDay USA, one of the nation's leading lenders for veterans. Admiral Lynch is out in the Valley and traveling the country, spreading the word about home ownership for our veterans and how it can help provide for their financial security in the future. Please join me in welcoming Thomas Lynch to the Valley, and thank you so much for watching. Hi everyone, we're here at Chelsea's Kitchen in Paradise Valley today with my distinguished guest, Admiral Thomas Lynch, Chairman of the Board for NewDay USA. Admiral Lynch is out here spreading the word of veteran home ownership and how NewDay USA is helping secure the financial future of our veterans. I've worked with a lot of veterans from NewDay USA, and I gotta tell you something, I'm so impressed with how NewDay really looks at the veteran and looks at their finances and just doesn't, throw them into a loan. I mean, you guys really take them through, the process so that they can make sure that they can actually afford that mortgage when they get into the house.
For every veteran caller that we receive, we get over 25,000 calls a month. And every veteran caller that calls us, he or she, they're treated with dignity, deference, and respect. Every loan we've ever done has been fully documented, manually underwritten. So we look at FICO score as just one factor, but that doesn't say, that doesn't tell about the person. So we really manually and personally get involved with every one of our clients because we want to help that veteran, if we possibly can, get that veteran in a home. That's what they deserve, and by golly, we as Americans should make sure that happens.
I just put 2 veterans last week into homes where they were actually paying less than what their rent was. Less than what their rent was.
Well, we've always been a cash-out refi company, so that's our steady Eddie. We do that. And for our average cash-out refi client, we consolidate $33,000 of credit card debt, put $17,000 in the bank, and lower the monthly payment by $650.
I've been doing this 20 years, Admiral Lynch, and there is a lot of lenders out there saying they can do VA loans, right. And I deal with them all the time. Some of them have, rocket ships, and right. Some of them have cartoons, and some of them have all this kind of stuff, which, this is a serious business that we're in, trying to help people like this. And so one of the things that impressed me so much when you invited me back to Baltimore a month ago, and I met the loan officers at NewDay USA, let me tell you something. The attitude, the professionalism, and the commitment to the mission was unbelievable.
I wish I could have every veteran that's considering about buying a home come through and see the young people he's going to be dealing with.
Oh, yeah.
Coat and tie. It's no flip-flops and blue jeans or something. It's coat and tie, very professional. These young men and women are on a mission as well, because we have them believing and understanding that it's a noble purpose to help these veterans. And so we're all in this together with the veteran and with our professionals and with our leadership. And then to have people like you come in and join the team and see the quality that our veteran is getting. It's just, that's why I say you got to be there to see it.
Oh, sure.
Or you've got to call us and experience it on the phone.
Just experience it.
Yeah.
For the loan officers and people back at NewDay USA, because they're doing all of this work, getting the files going and all that kind of stuff. They don't get the pleasure of me being able to hand those keys over and see the look on the face of those buyers when they get a home they never thought they could ever have. I mean, it's amazing, man.
Well, funny you should bring that up, because we've discussed that at NewDay, and that because our young people, they work so hard, and they're feel so badly if the loan doesn't go through. It could be a termite inspection or whatever it could be, and they lose it, and they just feel so badly for the veteran.
Right.
But so happy and elated when the veteran gets the the home.
Right.
So we're saying, why don't we go to the home with the veteran, bring the real estate agent
Right.
in, bring our brokerage partner in, and go in there with our professional at NewDay and have them all together and see that on, and just video that. If it never makes the TV, that's fine.
Right.
It's our young person can show that, our professional can show it to their family and friends, just to say, this is what I do every day. And this is why I'm so committed to NewDay USA and what we're doing for our veterans.
I'll tell you something, it would add jet fuel to their enthusiasm. It really would, you know, when they see that kind of stuff.
Well, they're so enthusiastic now. We're trying to corral and keep them down a little bit. Oh, yeah.
Oh, so
they work hard. I mean, we pay very well. We get the best and brightest, pay them very well, and train them, the best in the industry. And then we say, we're going to work you very hard. But it's a challenge. Wow. I stayed in the Navy. I stayed in the 32 years on active duty because I felt every job was a challenge. And just the time you're fully qualified for this, command a battle group, I'm not qualified for that. But you get in there and then you say, now the best battle group George Bush has, now you're going to be president of the Naval Academy. I'm not qualified for that. But you know, just that's what kept me going for my 32 years on active duty, and then to deal with the people that you and I have dealt with on active duty.
You were like the team captain, right?
I was the team captain.
And Roger Staubach was your
He's your quarterback.
Yeah,
yes.
your quarterback, right?
Yeah, and back in those days we went both ways. So I was a center on offense, and then a linebacker on defense. Yeah.
Of every single one of the buyers to the loan officers, so that they can share at least what's going on, you know?
Yeah, that would be great.
Yeah.
That would be fantastic.
I just got to tell you, I want to thank you so much for the commitment that you have to come all the way out here to Phoenix to talk about veterans, veteran home ownership, and the financial security of the veterans. And I just want to thank you so much for your commitment and all that you do. So thank you so much, Admiral.
Well, it wasn't that much of a burden, Neil, to come out on this beautiful day here in Phoenix.